Hey guys, in this video I will show you how we can buy Ripple on Binance. It's really fast and easy, and let me show how. So first step, what you need to do here is you need to have a Binance account, so you need to register. So if you don't have it, I will leave the link in the description below, so you can register, and on top of that you can get 5% more on your first deposit on crypto. And once you have an account, then you should see similar window to this, and as you can see here on the top left corner there is buy crypto button. So you need to hover your mouse here, and the first option is pay with, and then you need to select your currency. As you can see here, they have every possible currency in the world. And once you selected the currency, then you have four options. You can pay with bank deposit, credit, debit card, P2P trading, or third-party payment. So in my opinion, the easiest one is credit or debit card, so just press on it. And then as you can see here, we need to wait for a few seconds, but when the page loads up I will show you other steps that you need to take. Right, so as you can see here, so you have a few options. So you can buy crypto and you can enter the coin. So I highly advise you to enter Tether coin. For that, USDT, as you can see here, buy USDT, enter amount of crypto that you want to buy here, and then buy USDT. And then what you need to do here, when you have the USDT, you need to go to trade, convert, and you should be in this window. Make sure to put USDT, and then as you can see here, we need to wait for a few seconds here, but here you need to look for Ripple, XRP, and then enter amount of Ripple you want to buy. For example, 5 ripples, right? And then you can preview conversion. Minimum is 12, so for example 12, right? Preview conversion, and as you can see here, it will cost you 16, almost 17 USDT. All right, so guys, that's pretty much it, how you can buy Ripple on Binance. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.